Alright, we're back here. We're doing the timing cover on the Raider engine. Silver. Maybe we'll call it Fernando Mendoza, I don't know yet, but we're going to get there. We got to do this correctly. If not, it's going to come back and bite us. Everything's running through that. We got coolant, we got oil, everything's living right there, and it can go through all those passages and it can leak out. So we got to do it right. If we're going to get it wrong, it's going to bite us. Now this goes for everyone, either if we're fixing an old motor, repairing, fixing a leak. This is one of the jobs that we want to do quickly, efficiently, make sure everything we go through twice, 3 times, 4 times. I know I was going through things about like 5 or 6 times, tapping down the bolt holes, trying to make sure those are okay, and going through everything, making sure it's clean, wiping it down with alcohol wipes. This isn't just like a bolt-on kind of job. We got to make sure this is solid because this is going to be the foundation of our engine. Foundation of everything's going to be attached to that or going through that some way and somehow. So today we're going to show you the step-by-step. Hopefully it helps out for everyone. I'll show you some tips. Help it out. Let's get going. Pitter patter. gasket down. Now we gotta put this gasket on. Matches up, perfect. Perfect. And then I'm gonna do some more RTV on the other side, just to be doubly bubbly sure. And then I'm gonna kiss my hunty. Hey, definitely break through something. Not you, probably not, because you're so cute.
It can break. It can kill somebody.
We can talk about. Oh. I'm getting like a whiff of this in my nostrils. It smells like really good. It smells really, really, really good. Hunter!
Oh yeah.
Can you stop messing with the lights? I feel like I'm in The Shining.
You're shining?
Yeah, baby, shine bright.
Baby shine bright.
Baby, shine bright. Kind of like my Hunter. He wants me to kiss me. Alright. That looks good. Both sides, overkill. Sudden death. This is a nice bend. This is after 20 test fittings. £35. Hunter, it goes down to, we torque it down to 35.
What?
35 pounds.
35 pounds? That's a lot. You want it bigger?
Hey.
Hey! Oof. Where's the bed?
I don't don't know. Where'd you put the bat?
Oh, there it is, back.
There's the bat. Torque down to 35. Oh, this line up, yeah. Timing cover engaged. Booyakasha.